In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check permissions in Jira. This is an essential skill for managing user access and ensuring that everyone has the right level of permissions. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and search for Jira. You can use any search engine you prefer. As the search results populate, look for the official Jira link, typically labeled as Atlassian. This step is crucial because accessing the official site ensures you are using the most secure and up-to-date version of the software. You will see the familiar Jira logo and the interface ready for your next action. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. Next up, click the correct link and log in if prompted. You may need to enter your username and password to access your Jira account. If you are already logged in, you will be taken straight to the Jira dashboard. Logging in is important because it verifies your identity and ensures that you have the necessary permissions to manage spaces. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You should see a welcome message or your dashboard once you are successfully logged in. Now open your chosen space. On the left side of the screen, you will see a list of spaces you have access to. Click on the space you want to check permissions for. This action is vital because it narrows down the permissions to a specific area where your team works. You will notice the space's overview, recent activity, and other relevant information displayed on your screen. This helps you focus on the specific space and its settings. After that, click on the three-dot icon which usually appears in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Space Settings. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the configuration settings for that particular space. As you click the icon, a menu will unfold, revealing various options related to your space. Once you select Space Settings, you will be directed to a new page where you can manage different settings related to the space. Once you are in the space settings, click on Access. This section is where you can view and manage user permissions. It is important to know who has access to your space and what permissions they hold. You will see various options for managing access, and this is where you can ensure that only authorized users can view or edit content. Click on the Access option and you'll be taken to a list that shows current access levels for your users. Here, you should see the list of users and their access and permissions. Users may be categorized as administrator, guest, collaborator, member, or viewer. Understanding these roles is essential for managing your team's workflow effectively. You will see the names of users alongside their respective roles, providing clarity on who can do what within the space. This overview helps maintain security and efficiency in your projects. With that, you have successfully checked permissions in Jira. This process is crucial for ensuring that your team operates smoothly and that everyone has the access they need to perform their tasks effectively. Remember, managing permissions helps in protecting sensitive information and streamlining collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.